coming slowly up, feeling your vasal drive versus vasal drive, out and out.
We are extremely lucky to have such a harmonious, successful and nice place to work in.
Out, at the arm. It's out and out.
This is something that this continuity we have managed to continue for years and years and years. I mean, DNS over the years has never had a major problem. And this is all due to you, to the people who work at Davis Shirtliff, who are Davis Shirtliff.
I've been trying to find out what it's called. Don't try it at home. Yeah? We have a guinea pig. You don't need to worry.
One. Step touch. 2. Knee up. Knee up. Again. Again.
And this year we have 4 25-year service awards being earned by Dr. Mas, of course, Dr. Mas Waweru, Anthony Wang'ondu, both of whom have made and continue to make huge contributions, and of course we'll be presenting their awards just after this. And also 2 dedicated technicians, Guy Maruri and David Odessa, if you'd like to come up here. And both have made huge contributions. These 2 really show the spirit of Davis Shirtliff and show why we are successful. They demonstrate the attitude, the culture that I was talking about. These 2 gentlemen have made a massive contribution to the company. And they have been with me on this extraordinary journey that we've been on. 25 years ago was 1992. So we have grown, you know, more than 100 times. Everything was much smaller, and Anthony and Mas have been on this journey with me and made a massive contribution, because we have, as I say, hugely grown, hugely developed. We are extremely successful, but it can only be done with a good team. We must be well over 1,000 people that are making their living directly from Davis Shirtliff, and they will be supporting probably on average 5 people. So we're talking about at least 5,000 people that rely on this company for their livelihoods. And it's a big responsibility all of us have to make sure that we continue with the success and the progress of the company.